shelves that hit this week was the realization, simple as it is, that the Grace Commission report back in the 80s, during President Reagan's term in office, revealed that none of the money collected
Make sure you're fucking sitting down, people.
Was going to pay for any kind of government service or infrastructure. It was all going to pay the interest on the national debt.
An odious debt.
Well, and a debt that does not exist, because quite beyond all of the odious debt aspects of the entire situation, there is the problem of, okay, Joe's hamburger. Joe gives you a hamburger, you give him an IOU. Joe has just paid for your IOU. Okay? There is a national debt that's created by passing the buck, right? By passing the IOU. And there's the national credit, which is created by Joe giving you the hamburger. This is called a zero-sum transaction. The one thing cancels out the other thing. So there is a zero sum at the end of it. It all balances out. So in a zero-sum system, such as we've had in this country since the 1930s, there is no national debt. It's already been paid by the national credit. So, take these two facts together. There is no national debt because it's already been paid by the national credit. There was no accumulation of any valid national debt as a result. So, then we add in the Grace Commission findings, and they tell us that all of that tax money is going to pay interest on the national debt.
I told you you'd want to be fucking sitting
Now,
down.
This means that tremendous amounts of money were being applied to interest payments on a non-existent debt. I mean, there's no way of escaping that conclusion. So where did all our money really go?
And I'm on the record for telling you guys that all the tax and everything collected just gets scraped off the top and goes straight overseas. All of these other things have all been paid for, coming out of your trust. Why would they not use the system that's in place and use the money that they have stolen? They're of course going to siphon that straight off the top. Think about it, people.